Cosmos flower plant is an easy to grow winter's flowering plant. They have many colors as well. In this video, we will see how to grow Cosmos seeds step by step. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Cosmos plant is a cool climate plant that grows very well if the temperature is below 30 degrees Celsius. And in temperate areas, it's often grown as a winter's flowering plant, while in cold climate areas, it's a summer's flowering plant. But wherever you grow this plant, it produces very beautiful flowers consistently. You can start their seeds at the early winters or in springs both. Before sowing the seeds, just take a look in the weather app of your phone and it will tell you the day temperature in your area. If it's below 25 degrees Celsius, you can sow the Cosmos seeds. The quality of seeds is the most important. Make sure the seeds are fresh and have a good germination rate. You can also buy them from the description box. The rare varieties grow hardly. If you are a beginner, try a locally grown variety. It will grow easily and you will get some experience too. Next time you can try a special variety of Cosmos plant. Growing Cosmos seeds is easy and simple. Still, you should choose a well-draining and loose soil mix. Make sure the seeds media is free of insects. Otherwise, the seedlings will die inside. You can dry out the whole soil for one time and now use it as a seed starter. If you are unsure, you can also make a good seed starter at home from the description box video, or you can also buy a good one from the description box. For the pot, choose a medium-sized pot with the drainage holes. For sowing the seeds of Cosmos flower plant, make the soil fully moist. Then place the seeds carefully on the soil equally apart. Now add a thin layer of soil or coco peat. Just make them disappear, don't bury them too deep. Now water deeply. First watering should be frequent. Place this pot in a well-lit area but not in the sun. After 7 to 10 days, the seeds will start sprouting. As soon as there is a sprout, make sure it receives a good amount of light. Otherwise, it will go laggy and die. After around a month, the seedlings will grow very fast if the season is ideal. That's why sowing them at the right time is the most important. Now you can transplant them. Choose such a loose and fertile soil media. It's made at home. Video on this potting mix is added in the description box. You can follow that. One plant can survive very well in a 5 to 6 inches pot. Transplant them at the evening time and don't damage the roots too much. Keep the seedlings in a well-lit shade for a week, then move them back to a sunny area, and do subscribe to our channel. Once they recover, the buds and flowers will start appearing. You should now fertilize them so the flowers keeps on coming. You can use this flower fertilizer. It's made at home and works very well. Video on this is added in the description box. One dose of this every 2 weeks will work just fine. To learn how to care for Cosmos plants so they keeps on growing, you can follow Cosmos plant care video from the description box. The flowers will keep on appearing time to time until the season ends. The heat of summers is their killer, while in cold climate countries, their season continues springs to ending summers. It's because summers aren't too hot in their area. So it's all about growing Cosmos flowers from seeds. To explore more of such beautiful flowers of winter season, here is a detailed video for you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.